to get Translator in Fisch Alien Update Roblox. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can get the Translator in Fisch. The first thing you want to do is open up Roblox and open the Fisch game. Then head to Dr. Crook's Spine, the NPC running the alien investigation. He's the only character who can craft the translator. Now talk to him to begin the special quest line. You must find all quests before the translator becomes available. Dr. Crook will give multiple quests, some require traveling and correcting items. One of the main quests is catching a glee bus. You must purposefully fish for it. You won't catch it by accident. Bring the glee bus back to Dr. Crook, complete the remaining task he assigns. After finishing the entire quest line, Dr. Crook's Spine crafts the translator for you. This device becomes your tool for talking to the alien in Roselet Bay. Once your inventory is filled with this, you can go back to Roselet Bay. You can now understand the alien's language and continue the storyline. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.